So hi guys, welcome back. In this video we will see how to add phone number in your Outlook app. So guys, if you want to add phone number, so guys, it is very easy. First of all, you download and install the Outlook application in your phone. For this, simply go to the option of your phone application Outlook. Okay, after that you simply click here profile icon. After clicking here, guys, you go to the option of setting. In the settings section, you move downward and go to the option of privacy settings. In the privacy settings, wait for sync your privacy settings. After that, move downward and guys, here you see the option of Microsoft Privacy Dashboard. So you just click it and open it, this link. Okay, when it is login, then you sign in to your Outlook email. Okay, so guys, I'm already signed in and here it shows your name, so you just click on your name icon. Okay, then guys, click on my profile. After that, wait for a few minutes. Okay, now it's open your info. When your info is open, you just move downward and guys, here you see your phone numbers. Okay, so check your phone numbers. So for edit, you just click on edit account info. So just click it and again log in with your Microsoft credentials and you just here you see you just remove add mail add phone number. So this is the simple way that you can do. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.